By lunchtime, it's going to be cold. Busy drop-off line there at National Airport this morning. What should you expect from Mother Nature? Big drop in temperatures. Some places as much as a 40-degree drop over the next 8 hours. That is a headliner for sure. Northwest winds aren't an issue yet, but they will be gusting at or perhaps above 40 miles per hour from about daybreak till about lunchtime today. And as temperatures nosedive, before all the moisture can run out, it's not completely impossible for us to have a rain ending as a rain-snow mix. This is not going to be a shovelable level event, I don't think, but because we're just too warm this morning. But high impact temperatures dropping from the 70-ish range into the mid-30s this afternoon. And you see the leading edge of the raindrops just about moving into Leesburg now. Already raindrops along I-81, and already at the highest spots of West Virginia and Western Maryland, already that switch over to snow. I think the only places that have a chance to get over an inch of snow will be the crest of the Blue Ridge and the highest elevations of northern and western Maryland. Because look how far we have to fall. We're at 75 degrees in Washington, 74 in Manassas, already back in the 60s in Leesburg, down to 50 in Cumberland, and down into the mid-30s out at Deep Creek Lake in western Maryland. Diving temperatures this morning from 70-ish or so now down to barely 40 degrees by lunchtime, and by mid-afternoon I just don't think we can get below freezing. But boy, we can sure get into the upper 30s, and that's more than cold enough to have a little rain-snow combo. And then for tomorrow, another very windy day, but it'll be a southwest wind, so we'll recover nicely to temperatures back near average. So future weather. Here comes the chances for rain just in time for the morning commute. Likely the heaviest of the rain is most likely it's at about 7 and 10 a.m. Then we'll see. By 11 o'clock, I still think this is mostly rain, but you know, this is 3 days in a row that all of our forecast models have shown this transition over to all snow. But we run out of moisture before the sun goes down today. And though you won't be able to see the sun when it's precipitating, it will still have radiation getting down to the pavement. So paved surfaces aren't an issue. But how much snow? You know, if you look at a different model, you can get a bunch of different answers. A quarter to maybe as much as 3/4 of an inch of liquid. But again, with temperatures above freezing, an inch or less, I think, is about it. And that's only on the grass. Dry weather for Friday and Saturday. Most of your Sundays dry as well. Chance for some rain late Sunday evening. Another very active pattern. Rain, thunderstorms on Monday near 70. And by Tuesday morning, we'll go from 70 to 28 degrees. And a high on Tuesday of only 40. This is the definition of the March lion, not just roaring, but probably eating off your hand.
Oh my gosh.
Look at that.
Total whiplash.